Hey everybody. Just wanted to do a quick update. Just obviously Bitcoin's just broken out in the last couple of hours. And it looks like it might give us some pretty good TA performance on this break. So a lot of people getting quite excited on Twitter and stuff. And there's a lot in the market that's suggesting this will be a decent breakout. So as we've sort of been suggesting, I'm looking at it now on the hourly. It looks like we might have a bit of a slowdown here, and hopefully we can just come back and retest this level, which was resistance. It was the top of this sort of area where we thought there might be a bit of resistance, but it seemed to churn through it pretty well. It only came down to the 50 moving average on the hourly a couple of times. Most of the time it was jumping off the 20. So yeah, it looks like a pretty good break at this stage. We've got a little bit before the daily close. What would suck is if it came down here and closed like right on that or just below that level on the daily. That wouldn't be the greatest thing in the world, but I'm looking for over the next couple of hours in particular. If we just go to the 4 hourly, the 4 hourly is still strong. It'll be closing in an hour as well. I'd expect that to be staying up there. So I think this, looking at it, this should be a reasonable daily close. And if we go to the weekly too, that's a pretty strong weekly candle as well. So Bitcoin looking like it is going to go on that run that we thought it potentially would. And it'll be interesting to see whether we're running up just halfway through this channel or whether we do actually come up and get to some new all-time highs. Time will tell on that, and we'll just keep watching the charts. But the main thing here is this little slowdown here. Sometimes it's hard to tell with Bitcoin, especially when you get these sort of volumes coming through. People can start to FOMO in at this point. If you miss that pump, now is probably not the time to buy it. Just pass on it. You missed the pump. It is potentially going to come back down. At some stage, it will come back down and meet this, at least the 20 moving average. And I think that's probably going to be the time to be buying on this pump. It's certainly one where I'll be looking for, I guess, the next hourly candle. If we get a candle that sort of closes below, oh, that's a horrible drawing. Need to use a different tool, I think. If we get a candle that closes somewhere down around here, I'd be expecting it to pull back in this direction. And then YouTube's not getting enough video apparently for a steady stream. Sorry for the quality of the stream on this. Looks like my connection isn't great here. Anyway, I'll keep going for now, and I'll just say, yeah, this is the area that I'd be looking for a pullback down around that 45,500, and then we'd be looking to go up, particularly if your 20 moving average is coming into that area. So yeah, good luck, guys. Don't trade emotionally. Don't FOMO in. That'll do for today.